Hey guys, we're gonna have a Pikachu in our video. Press the thumbs up if you find it. Look, a candy stand. I'm going to get the candy. That's yummy to my tummy. Candy. Uh-oh.
Hi, sir. How can I help you?
I want some candy.
Okay, sir. We have Skittles, we have Tootsie Roll, we have Smarties, we have Paw Patrol, we have Suckers, and we have Peppermint Crunch. What do you want?
And what?
Okay, so you want a Tootsie Roll, a Smartie, and some Peppermint Crunch. I'm so excited you want so much. You're my first customer today. I haven't had any customers all day long. Let me back this up for you. It will be $3, please.
What? I don't have any money. Man, my money's in the car. Go get it and bring it back.
Sure. Okay, here you go, sir.
I'm going to bring back with some money.
All right, see ya.
Where was all my money? Oh no!
What is taking him so long?
Be cool.
Oh my gosh! He just drove off! 911? Yes, this is an emergency. Somebody just came by, got some candy, and ran off. And didn't pay.
Hi man, did you call for help?
Yes, some kid came and stole some candy. He said he was going to be back and pay, but he never came back and he just drove off.
What was he driving?
A silver car.
What did he look like?
He had curly blonde hair and he was wearing a hat and big glasses and a big chain.
We've been looking for that guy.
Well, when you catch him, can you bring me my money back?
Sure. What's up, dude?
Oh, not much, just hanging around. What's up with you?
Oh, I don't know chicken nuggets and
Okay, that'd be $5, sir.
I love in the bear. I could just pay over there.
Sure, that's okay.
Thanks.
Hi, sir, did you find your wallet?
Yeah.
Okay, it's $5, please.
I'm just going.
Hey, come back here! Hello, police? Yes, there's a kid here and he got food and didn't pay for it. Yeah, he dined and dashed. Okay, thanks, I'll see you in a little bit.
What happened, sir?
Well, there's this kid, he came and then he took my food and then ran off. He didn't even pay for it.
What did he look like?
Well, he was wearing a blue shirt with a gold hat and glasses and a big gold chain. He was driving a gray Mercedes.
Yeah, that's our guy. He's been stealing everything.
Time to 56 at this time. 9 Henry,
Get me if I try to do this guy. I'm being invisible. Look, what? I I watched them. It never got me wearing this. There's a candy store again.
Hi, sir. Do I have any boxes today?
No, not today. I just want to buy some candy.
You look really familiar. Have you been here before?
What? No, not me.
All right. I think I've seen you before, though. Well, what would you like?
My effigy is 6.
Okay. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay. That'll be $1.
Okay. Oh wait, I think you do have a box. Oh wow!
Okay. I'll wait.
You have a box. I'm going to do it again next time.
I knew he looked familiar. That's the same guy that stole from me yesterday. I'm calling the police. 911? The same guy stole from me yesterday and today. Okay, thanks.
What was he wearing?
Today he was wearing a UPS suit.
He got away from me yesterday, but he won't get away this time. Is there anything else that you can tell me?
His truck was red, it was full of boxes, and he's sneaky.
Okay, we're gonna catch this guy. If you find this Pokeball in this video, give a thumbs up. Hi, sir.
Hey, sir, you're not my normal UPS man.
What? Oh, he's sick.
You sure have a lot of boxes today.
I sure need order really fast.
Okay, sir, what can I get for you today?
I need pizza really fast.
Okay, sir, I'll have your pizza ready fast. Pull around to the back. Okay, sir, here's your food. It'll be $5. Are you sure I don't know you? You look really familiar.
You don't know me. Oh, wow. Oh, I do have a box.
Hey! Hello, police? Yes, it's me again. Yes, he did it again. Yeah, and he threw a box at me too. Okay, bye.
Hello, sir. What happened?
I think the same guy stole from me again. He looked the same. He was a UPS man and had a lot of boxes. And then he threw a box at me. Do you want to see it?
Yes, sir. I might need it for evidence.
I think he left a note for you.
What?
Here you go. I think this message is for you.
What? Let's get this guy. What? How did this get in here? These are spike strips. These will stop him. Oh, wow. Now we wait. I'm going to eat some candy. Son. Oh no! Get out of this car. Give me the no. Give no. There you go. Are you robbing me? Yeah. Okay, thanks. We're still going to jail though. Aww.